Melbourne and Victoria, a surprise at every turn, presented by Visit Victoria and Singapore Airlines.
Adventure awaits us. What is it? Well, Ballarat Wildlife Park. Here,
I'm excited to see kangaroos.
know, me too. I'm excited to hug koalas. Oh my God, am I not waiting for a bear hug or what? So, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Chalo. I am so excited, so excited to meet koalas. Oh
And
my
kangaroos.
God. I know, and kangaroos.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
Cass.
Nice to
Nice to meet you. I'm
Nice-
Cass.
nice to meet you,
Welcome
Cass.
Ballarat Wildlife Park.
Yes, and I can see koala right there.
Yes.
Oh, those
Are you
adorable.
getting the little girl outside?
We are going in to meet her. I've got her delicious breakfast.
Yes.
And we're going to go and see a few animals around the park today.
Sure. Perfect.
What's the
Wow.
usual average lifespan for a koala?
In the wild, closer to 10 years.
Okay.
But when they live in human care, they can live a little bit longer, maybe 15.
Oh,
Oh.
that's interesting.
You can see when you look really close at her, she has a lot of really cool features. Her big nose, the big black nose, she has a really good sense of smell. So if they're wandering from tree to tree, they can actually smell the leaves that are way at the top of the eucalyptus tree, whether it's a tree that they would like to eat.
After our time with the koalas, we move on to meet the kangaroos. These magnificent marsupials roam freely throughout Ballarat Wildlife Park, creating unforgettable encounters for every visitor.
We're going to meet our beautiful wombat Georgie next.
Oh,
She's a
Georgie.
Very sweet girl. And
Yeah.
she's just in her bedroom here at the moment. So we're going to open this up.
So we're invading her
Yes.
privacy right now. Hi, Georgie.
She gets lots of fresh green grass in the morning and at night as well. And then she eats lots of carrots, sweet potatoes, and she gets grain.
So she has a healthy diet.
Yeah, very healthy diet.
So Shibani, after we saw the beautiful and the adorable kangaroos and koalas, I've actually gotten you to Sovereign Hill.
Yes, and this is a place where you actually get the taste of the Victorian era, the gold
Exactly.
rush era, where people around Ballarat were here looking for gold. And in fact, did I tell you, I have this trivia. The people coming from Ballarat are one of the richest in the country, by the way. Did you know that? It's all old golden wealth that they have acquired.
Since we were talking about the Victorian era, I think as besties, it's time for us to transition into that, into beautiful, gorgeous, elegant ladies.
Really?
Let's
go.
go. So Shibani, we're in the heart of the gold fields,
Yes,
and
we are.
I have the rebellion pass for you.
And what does that do?
So it's actually given to only 100 people every day,
Okay.
and it gives you a chance to actually find gold.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
I get to find gold over here. That's what the people outside they were doing.
Yes, and then buy me something if you find it.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go. Just get a little bit of soil in there. See all this up here?
Eureka!
Eureka! Yes!
So welcome to Gold Smelting Works. My name is Steve and I'm one of the gold pourers here at Sovereign Hill. My job is as an industrial blacksmith, otherwise known as a mines blacksmith or smelter man. And my job is to take the impurities out of the gold. As soon as the gold bar gets submerged completely in the liquid, we give it about 10 seconds. So let's give it a bath. Put it in the water there. Now you might expect for the water to be hot now, but in reality, the water is still ice cold, just like it was before. The gold is actually completely safe to touch. And that is 99.99% pure gold, 24 karat, at 100 troy ounces or 3 kilograms.
Epic end to this amazing trip.
I couldn't agree more. It's been incredible.
I know, right? Like from day one when we went to the bathing boxes to all the adventures that we had along the way.
Absolutely.
The Great Ocean Road.
The helicopter ride. Oh my God,
the
I can never
thing that you
forget.
had planned for me. My God,
And the
it was
coffee and the
so
walking
much.
tour that you, but the sky deck. Oh my God, I love that so much.
I miss that. But I'll tell you something. One of the best experiences that I had being an animal lover was feeding
The kangaroos.
I
Oh,
know,
it was
so
adorable. I
amazing. My
agree.
heart is full. I feel so good coming to Melbourne.
Correct. But you know what I also really enjoyed
Yeah,
was getting here.
yeah.
You know, with Singapore Airlines,
I
the
know.
Gucci thali, the amazing food, the hospitality. I mean,
Yeah,
just how relaxed that journey was.
absolutely.
It was
But having
100%.
said that, I must give it to Melbourne. It is so epic. There is so much to do for everyone.
I
because,
agree.
if you are an adventure enthusiast, if you are
A coffee enthusiast, someone who loves
food person, yes.
Yeah. And people are so warm, welcoming. There's so much
Yeah.
history which we saw at Sovereign Hill.
there is something for everyone. I must
couldn't
say
agree.
that Melbourne is
Truly
every bit different. And cheers to
Cheers.
that.